So a lot of students never even try coding because they think it's purely computational and they can't be creative with code. So with this initiative, thanks to Microsoft for bringing the art to the coding class and the coding to the art class.
We are empowering Miami-Dade public school teachers with 4 of our creative coding lessons. Creating self-portraits with JavaScript, 3D modeling with Tinkercad, game design using Scratch, and abstract art using Scratch.
I had 0 coding experience, none. It actually was, for me, very intimidating. Coding has always been very intimidating.
When I walked in, I knew nothing about coding at all whatsoever. I thought it could be challenging, and I wasn't quite sure if I'll be able to do it or not.
I think I can breathe a little easier. Of course, I definitely need that support of the videos. I think those videos were very well done. That actually provides me as a teacher that is not a coding teacher a great way to guide a classroom through the process.
I learned that coding is not as impossible as I thought it was. It's actually pretty easy.
Using code art is going to be a lot more user-friendly, and I think I'll get a better result out of more of my students this year.
I was delighted when I saw that it was a very step-by-step and I could actually do it with my students very easily. I think this really simplified it so that anyone, no matter what experience you have, you could get started right away, like with the tutorials. I think coding is about being creative. The more creativity you put into that and the more open you are, I think the better program and the more user-friendly programs you're gonna get.
Creativity is the one thing that helps all of us learn. I believe that it's really important that we introduce not only in our technology classes, but I believe it's the kind of activity we should be including in our English and math and science and history classes to make the experience of learning in that topic and that subject come alive for all kids.
Thank you, CodeArt and Microsoft.
Thank you, CodeArt and Microsoft.
Thank you, CodeArt and Microsoft.